Hi, Mark Power here again, your stuttering specialist. Today I'm going to talk about how to say your name without stammering or stuttering. This is obviously one of the hardest things for people who stutter, saying their name. My theory is you really are pretty limited in changing things when you're saying your name. If somebody asks you your name and you say, well, it's kind of like starts with an M, and after that, and you can't say, it sounds kind of weird when you have a response that's a simple response, like Mark. So that's why I used to get really nervous because I knew that was going to happen. So saying your name can be one of the most challenging aspects of stuttering for many people who stutter. Here are some tips that may help you say your name without stuttering. First of all, rather than look at that sound that you know you're going to block on, maybe the first sound or a sound in there, which I used to do all the time. I could predict when I was going to stutter. Rather than get very tense and anticipate that stuttering sound, look at all of the words as a phrase and smoothly run through them. So rather than Mark, I'm going to say Mark Power, just like it's a smooth transition. Also, slow down a little bit. You don't have to talk really slowly, but it's going to be a lot better if you do slow down when you say your name or actually anything else. And you'll be speaking in short phrases like this. So rather than say, my name is Mark Power, Mark Power. Take it easy and slow it down for a couple of reasons. If you change the way you talk by slowing down a little bit, your brain starts processing differently. And also, when you're talking a little slower, you can put your voice on stronger. If you say something really quickly like this, your voice is turning on and off. But if you slow it down a little bit, you can keep your voice on a lot better. So the other hint I would say is try an easy onset. A lot of people block and they get a lot of tension in that first sound, like, if you just kind of ease into that first sound, we call that an easy onset. Mark. It's going to be a lot easier for you. You also can prolong that first syllable rather than Mark, Mark. Give it some time and prolong the first. Mark Power. Try that. Okay, also, if you put something before, just saying your actual name, that might get you ready and ease you into it, rather than just Mark Power. How about, my name is Mark Power? It gets you started with something that's fairly straightforward. So, even if you do all these things, it's a good idea to start by rehearsing these, maybe with a friend or maybe in front of a mirror, and then gradually start it with easy situations. As you get more confident, move to more difficult situations. That's the way you can get better and better at this. But basically, these are all kind of tricks that may or may not work. They're not part of a whole program that's going to help you. A program that will help you is a program that I have called the MPI program that changes the way you talk by giving you some real-time feedback of your voice. And it's a scientific program that works very well for a lot of people. And I'm accepting new patients now. Let me know if it's something that you're interested in. Thanks a lot. Mark Power here. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Also, be sure to hit the share button and leave us a comment below so that others can benefit from it as well. I'll be recording a lot more helpful videos like this one to help you overcome your stuttering. And if you'd like to be notified, then click on the bell icon below.